Welcome to the channel. My name is Matthias, aka Broken Guns, and today we are making some bass house. I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cool bass house bass. We have this MIDI file which we are going to use as a guideline to help us shape the sound. We are going to initialize the preset. For this tutorial I'm going to use basic shapes. We are going to pick the sawtooth wave and lower it down 2 octaves. I'm going to pull down the phase randomization and increase the level. We are going to use second instance of Vital for the sub oscillator. So in this instance of Vital I'm going to just focus on the top layer. We're going to shape the sound with envelopes and add a filter. Sounding really cool. And at this point I'm going to also add the macro 1. Let's decrease the envelope. Going to increase the volume just very slightly so you guys can hear. Later stage we are going to apply some post-processing so the volume will increase. Let's use either ladder or digital for this one and choose the 24 dB filter. You can hear the difference with different filter modes. Play with those, try out what fits your song. I'm going to pull down the voices and I'm going to pull down the spread just very slightly. Let's add compressor. Let's add some distortion. Sounding really cool. Now I'm going to add this filter. You can do this also at later stage with the effects. This is pretty much it for the top layer. We are just going to add some reverb to this. Now let's go to the second instance. Actually I'm going to just delete the second instance, clone this one so we have the same envelopes. We are going to copy the MIDI, paste on the second instance. I'm going to just either use the first one or third one. I tend to like to use the third one for sub, so it's easier for me to spot which layer is which layer when I'm going through these layers and changing them. Here we are going to use basic shape and pull it down 2 octaves and just have it direct out. I'm going to route it to the sub slot of my mixer template. In my mixer template I have some sidechain on the sub layer and also sidechain on the top layer. And top layer is also going through this Pro EQ. You can use just the normal parametric EQ, but I'm taking out the low end from the top end as well, even though we took most of it away on the top layer. And together with the drums we have this. Really cool stuff. Try it out guys, this is a really simple bass. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out the links in the description. There you have my new sample pack for the drums and the Vital preset packs for epic bass sounds like this one. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace!